Hello, I'm back on this Ford Transit Ecoboost. The battery just died, so I'm gonna try to take it out, but I'll try to take the seat out. There's some screws, one here, one on the other side, two in the front. So let's see if I can take the chair off, because it's under the chair. So there's two in the front, one here, one there, and then you use one of these. Yeah, it moves, so I can move it. I'm gonna leave obviously the seatbelt in it. There's a wire here, so I'm gonna try to see if I can disconnect this wire so I can put the chair on the floor. Decided not to take that wire out, too much work. I just pushed it like that. So now I have plenty of room here. So there's a screw here, one here. So I'll take those two out and this should be coming up. Yeah, this comes up. And these should pop out. Get it in here. There you go. There's one here. There you go, with one hand. When I first tested it, I tested up front by the cables and it says to replace, but now it says good recharge. So when I'm testing it to see if the alternator is good, it's showing that it's charging. So it's let's see if I can do this with one hand. Yeah, 13.5. So it's charging. So I don't know what happened. I guess I'm gonna charge it and we'll see. So I'm gonna charge it up and we'll see. I'm gonna put something here so this stays, it doesn't fall. I'll figure something out. After I charged it, this is what I'm getting. So the battery is no good, and here it should say that's the cranking 730 and it's 505. Before it was 500, so that's way too low. And I found out that this is not the original. I replaced it in 2017, the beginning of the year. So it lasted like 5 years. That's not bad. So I'm gonna take it out and put a new one. It's the old one. And actually it is 2017, but at the end, not the beginning. So I'm gonna go and buy the new one. This is the new one. I'm gonna show you the difference. See, everything is way different. 815, 100%, 95 here. Huge difference. So I'm gonna install it. Don't forget, It has this, it goes on the side of the battery, it goes right here. Thank you for watching.